Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Canada Immigration. We hope you're having an amazing day. Are you dreaming of starting a new life in Canada but worried about the hassle of getting a work permit? Well, worry no more because we have some exciting news to share with you. Canada has recently introduced a new work permit under the International Experience Canada program that does not require you to take the dreaded IELTS test, and you don't even need a job offer for 2 of its streams. How awesome is that? But wait, there's more. This work permit is open to all job sectors, regardless of whether you're working in a skilled or unskilled occupation. Plus, the proof of funds required is only CAD 2500, and you don't need an LMIA, which is a labor market impact assessment. Almost all nationalities are eligible to apply, and to make things even better, your spouse or common law partner can also get an open work permit, allowing them to work for any employer in Canada under any job position offered to them. Now, we know you're probably wondering about the cost and processing time of this amazing visa, as well as the eligibility criteria and the exact documents needed for the application. Well, in this video, we'll be sharing everything you need to know about the IEC work permit, including the 3 streams you can apply to, the portal to use to find job offers, and all the benefits offered by this visa. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Are you dreaming of working in Canada, but the thought of dealing with the tedious process of getting a work permit is holding you back? Fear not. The Canadian government has recently introduced a new work permit under the International Experience Canada program, which could be the perfect solution for you. One of the most appealing aspects of this new work permit is that you don't need to take the IELTS test, or go through the labor market impact assessment process. This means you can save yourself a lot of time and hassle, and focus on preparing for your exciting new adventure in Canada. Moreover, the IEC work permit allows you to apply from almost anywhere in the world, regardless of whether you have a job offer or not. Yes, you read that right. Even if you're an unskilled worker, you have the chance to work in Canada under this program with the IEC work permit. The doors to a new life in Canada are wide open. But that's not all. The IEC work permit also comes with a bonus for your spouse or partner. They may obtain an open work permit that lets them work for any employer in Canada, and they can even switch jobs if they wish to do so. This means that both you and your loved one can embark on a new adventure together, and create unforgettable memories in Canada. Now, if you're between the ages of 18 to 35, then the young professional stream of the International Experience Canada work permit might be perfect for you, and the best part is, you don't need an IELTS test or an LMIA to apply. The IEC work permit allows you to travel and work in Canada for up to 2 years, and the visa fee is only CAD 156. The processing time is also incredibly quick, with just 6 weeks required to get your work permit. To apply for the young professional stream, you'll need a job offer, but there are registered organizations listed on the IRCC website that can help you find one. These ROs can also assist with planning your trip, including arranging transportation and housing, and navigating local laws and taxes. If you're worried about bringing your dependents with you, don't be. Your spouse and children can apply for visitor visas and find work after landing in Canada. And with the current demand for workers, finding a job shouldn't be too difficult if you have the basic skills. At the end of the video, we'll be showing you a demonstration of how to apply for jobs through these ROs. Now, are you a student in Canada or considering studying in Canada? Well, the International COOP internship stream is perfect for you. Under this stream, you can easily get a work permit while studying in Canada, without the hassle of an IELTS test or an LMIA. All you need to do is to apply for this stream while your study course is ongoing, and the internship you are offered must be related to your field of study. Once you complete your studies, the employer-specific work permit you receive will allow you to work for the company where you did your internship. If you're not a student, don't worry. The working holiday stream is an excellent option for anyone who wishes to explore Canada while working. You don't even need a job offer before you arrive in Canada. All you need is citizenship from one of the 35 eligible countries listed on the IEC website, and you can work for as many employers as you want during your stay in Canada. This stream is perfect if you're looking for an adventure and want to experience different parts of Canada. Lastly, the young professional stream is ideal for those who are between 18 and 35 years old, and looking for employer-specific work permits. Although you do need a job offer, there are registered organizations listed on the IRCC website that can help you find a job offer and plan your trip to Canada. They can even help you with local laws, taxes, transportation, and housing, so, if you possess basic skills, finding a job in Canada won't be difficult. So, which stream should you choose? Well, that depends on your circumstances and goals. Whether you're a student looking for an internship, a young professional seeking employer-specific work permits, or just looking to explore Canada while working, the IEC has a stream that will work for you. Don't forget to check the IEC website for the list of eligible countries and registered organizations to help you plan your trip to Canada. We'll now let you know which job application site you should use and which portal internships are available on. Hence, the first thing you should do is just put IEC Canada into Google, and instantly view the official IRCC page for it. Anybody can apply. Go there. You may now choose your nation to see whether it is one of those eligible ones listed below, or if it isn't. To see if you are eligible for any of the IEC streams, simply choose My Nation is not mentioned. If you choose Australia from the drop-down selection, for example, you'll notice that you qualify for all IEC streams. What happens if you're not a citizen of one of the nations that qualify? You need not be concerned. Choose My Country from the drop-down option if your country isn't mentioned, and as you can see, to use a row or a recognized organization, your nation must have a youth mobility agreement with Canada. The organizations we previously mentioned for the young professional stream are these recognized ones, so you may utilize these reputable companies to locate employment in Canada. Here you can see the first one in particular, ASIC Canada, a charity that qualifies for nations like Brazil and India. Thus, be sure that your nation qualifies for the organization you are choosing before choosing your RO, the sort of work permit that is available, the target market, which is the 18 to 30 age range, and of course the qualifying nations, will all be visible. When you first access the ASIC website, you may select Let's Get Started to view a comprehensive list of positions for which you can apply. The jobs on this list are available worldwide, so be sure to choose Canada as your search area. You'll now see a comprehensive list of positions available in Canada. So, don't get disheartened if you don't see a job profile mentioned here. Simply check it again later, as these positions are constantly updated. Currently, if you open the first position listed here for an ERP developer in Airdrie, Alberta, you will be able to see the salary offered, information about the company, job description, working conditions, your duties, the skills you need for the position, the language requirements, and the nationalities that can apply for the position. You'll not need to take an IELTS test for it since, as you can see, there is no mention of any IELTS score. When you apply, your profile will be shortlisted, and you'll be informed of interview rounds. Here is how it will operate, and in just 35 days, you'll receive a job offer letter if you're hired. You just need this employment offer letter to submit a work visa application. If you notice a cost listed here, you will only be required to pay it if you are chosen. Hence, applying for any of these positions is free. Only after you accept a job offer will you be required to pay for them. After receiving a job offer, what do you do next? Really easy steps. All you need to do is sign up for the IEC pool on the IRCC website, then wait for your ITA or application invitation. Similar to Express Entry, you must generate a GC key, sign into your IRCC account, and choose the pools that apply to you. To apply, follow the instructions in the Express Entry profile creation video from the description box below. If you don't know how to generate a GC key login, gather all of your paperwork while you wait for your ITA or invitation to apply. Since you only have 10 days to accept your ITA, also, you have just 20 days after accepting your ITA to complete all of your paperwork and make your fee payment. It may take some time to collect all the necessary documentation to submit a comprehensive application for your work visa, because the time it takes to issue documents like the PCC varies based on where you've lived and where you're applying from, so make sure you're ready for it well in advance. What sort of paperwork would you need to file after you get your ITA, then? Your proof of funding is the first document. Unlike immigration programs that need more than CAD 13,000, your IEC work visa just requires $2,500 as evidence of finances because you already have a job offer. Hence, You must demonstrate that you can afford the costs for just the first 3 months after arriving in Canada. The report of your medical test is in the following paper. Each country where you have recently resided or traveled for at least 6 months requires a medical examination. A physician, also known as a panel physician, who has been approved by IRCC must do the medical examination. You should wait until you've been invited to apply to obtain a medical exam, to ensure that your findings don't expire because they only remain valid for 12 months. Next on your list of necessities is health insurance. All of your time in Canada must be covered by your health insurance. If your health insurance doesn't last the full length of your stay in Canada, then you'll be granted a work permit that expires on the same day as your insurance. Your medical care, hospitalization, repatriation, as well as the expense of transporting you to a medical facility or bringing you back to your place of origin, must be covered by your insurer. Your police clearance certificate, or PCC, is the second most crucial document. You require a PCC from the nation or territory where you now reside, as well as from any other nation or territory where you have spent 6 months or more consecutively. Your acceptance letter from a recognized organization or entity is the following document. The RO you are using will provide you with a confirmation letter if you use their services, which you may use to support your work visa application. Together with other standard papers like your passport, digital picture, and resume, you must also provide this. That's all there was to the IEC work visa. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next episode. Till then, take care.